Nangamalari. Auntie, a lot of people want to buy black and know how do they, particularly Indigenous artists.
Yep.
Any recommendations?
Well, I think one of the first places you could try is Supply Nation, which lists all Indigenous businesses and services that are available to the general public. So if you jump on their website, they have a list of art suppliers in particular, people that are in the business of providing art. But then there are the individual ones as well that you can check out through local Aboriginal art centres. For instance, Mounjum Arts Centre in the Kimberley, or other ones around the countryside.
Yeah, and there's different, like on social media, there's different groups that also for genuine Indigenous artists. But that's the one thing about Supply Nation. So we Evolve are members of Supply Nation, and we had to go through a rigorous process for that, didn't we?
Yes. Yeah.
As we're majority Indigenous owned. So one place to start. But let's buy black and support Indigenous businesses as allies.
Definitely. Way to go. So, in Go well.